So before I get to the point, let me first get something out of the way. I don't find anything particularly offensive or wrong with what Tim Payne said to Ashwin.
Subscribe to Legend Martini for your daily dose of lifestyle, movies, and everything else under the sun. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.
It was part of the sledging. Players have been called worse things. Let's just accept that and kind of move on from that. But having said that, I think it's still wrong, even though it was not offensive. I don't think Australians should be sledging anybody with anything, offensive, non offensive. And I'll tell you why. So, Gilchrist and Ricky Ponting have said on record that Andrew Simons represents the worst of Australian sledging or sledging in general. He was at the top, right on top, among all the players who were known for sledging other players. And Ricky Ponting and Gilchrist have said it on record that Andrew Simons' career was destroyed after what happened in Sydney, after he was sledged by Harbhajan Singh, and he was let off with a minor punishment. After Harbhajan said whatever he said, there are two versions obviously. One is monkey and one is Maki. And it's funny, it's ironic, it's sad at the same time. The people or the individual who was infamous for coming up with the worst insults, personal insults, when he faced something like that, it's not even about faced. When someone returned his abuses, when someone spoke up, or not even spoke up, when someone gave a comeback to a personal insult that he was throwing. He was after Harbhajan Singh throughout that match, and when Harbhajan Singh gave back to him, he was not just offended in that moment. He let his whole career go to dumps. That's what these people have said it on record. Ricky Ponting and Adam Gilchrist. It's not just some uninformed fan like me who's saying it. That guy he went on a downward spiral after that incident. So this is why I don't think Australians have a right to sledge anyone. I just put out a video yesterday. So I'm not against Australia. I'm not hyper nationalistic and all. I put out a video where I criticized vehemently the punishment that was dished out to Tim Payne for something that was heard through a stump mic. Please watch that video before you judge me. But Australians really don't have a right to sledge.